Good morning, student. Already we see the information about article, what is meant by indefinite article and what is meant by definite article, and how to use a and an. Today we see the definite article the. The first rule is that when you mention anything for the second time, that time we have to use the article. Already we see this example, such type of example in the indefinite article. That time we see that if we refer anything for the first time, that time we have to use a article, and for the second time we have to use the article. Now see the example, the pen you gave me is not available in the market. Now in this given sentence, we are speaking about the pen which is already given to me. Means the pen which is given to me, I know it, and there is a specific pen. That is why we have to use the article. In the first section we see the example, I read a book. The book is interesting. I read a book. When you mention it for the first time, that time I use a book. Or when I mention it second time, that time I write the book is interesting. So you have to mind it for the second time. There is a specific information about that thing. That is why we mention the article before anything. Now see the second rule, that is the unique things. I write it shortly. You have to understand it. When you mention anything which is a unique one, there is not another for that one, that time also before that particular word we have to put the article. For example, the moon is beautiful. The moon is beautiful. Here moon is a only one. So we have to use the article before the moon. Now see the third rule, when there is the reference of superlative degrees. As you know that comparative, positive and superlative degrees. In that case, when there is a superlative degrees, that time we have to use the article. For example, Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. The greatest, great, greater and greatest. Before the noun, before the superlative degrees, that time we have to put the article before that word. Second one, if there are ordinal numbers, in that case also we have to use the article. For example, the first, the second, the third. For example, read the 5th chapter of your English book. Here 5th is a ordinal number, so we put the before the 5th. Now see the 5th rule. If there is a name of musical instrument, that time we have to write the article before the name of that instrument. For example, Ram can play the violin. The violin. Okay. When there is the name of musical instrument, we have to put the article. Then if there is the inhabitants of a country and which is a collective noun, that time also we can put the article. For example, the Indians, the Japanese, the Chinese. The Chinese whale is very famous. So in the same way, the Americans own the relay race. Here Americans is an inhabitant of country and which is also a collective noun. So we have to put the article before Americans. And the last one, if there are a proper nouns, the names of river, ocean, deserts, buildings, monuments, newspaper, holy books, in that case also we have to use the article. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Sahara deserts, the Taj Mahal, the times of India, the Ramayana, the Himalaya, the Ganga. In such types of names, we have to use the article. For example, the Taj Mahal is a sign of love. Here, Taj Mahal is a famous building, and that is known as a sign of love. So, before Taj Mahal, we have to put the article.